Special person, in fact, very special person in my life. Her name is Auntie Georgina. She has tremendous and lots of experiences and knowledge about alternative therapy. What is this alternative therapy? We have something called Sujok. Under Sujok, we have something called acupressure, seeds therapy, and needle therapy, acupuncture. There are various therapies, magnet therapy. So these are the types of therapies Auntie has been involved with, and she has been treating many patients, and she has seen lots of improvement in many patients. The idea of having Auntie in our video is we wanted you to understand how Sujok will help in your life, how Sujok will help in healing yourself, in treating yourself, treating your body, mind, and soul. The therapies or healing techniques should not be only treating your body, but it should treat your mind also. Because sometimes mind gets the problem, our body gets the problem. If the body is suffering, the mind suffers. So it's correlated. So to treat oneself, if you are using natural techniques, that is something which is not causing any side effects. There are many medicines, there are many ways of treating yourself. But if you are treating yourself with very safe way of healing techniques, then it's a long-term remedy for you. If something which is not causing you any side effects, then it's a miracle treatment for you. So those are the miracle treatments we have been showing in our YouTube channel, like acupressure for diabetic patients, seed therapy for diabetic patients, acupressure for weight loss, and BP. So there are many videos. So the intention of making today's video is we wanted someone who is very experienced to tell you how this therapy can help. So in our video, in today's video, we have Georgina Auntie, my very special person, to share about herself, to share about her experiences with you. Namaste Auntie, welcome to our channel.
Namaste, Francie.
So please share your experiences, your knowledge about Sujok.
Yeah. I don't have a flow of words like you, but whatever I can share. Acupuncture itself is a big subject, and Sujok is one part of it, because when you speak of acupuncture, it's a classical acupuncture where you have to treat from foot to head. The points are found all over the body. Whereas in Sujok, we are using only hand and foot. And it is the easiest way to treat, because when you have to search points everywhere, it is cumbersome. Whereas when you have the hand, with one hand you are going to find all the points for all the treatments, and for anybody to learn, you have to learn one hand, that's all. So one hand to learn, you have just 5 fingers and a hand palm. So it is easy. You have kind of combined points. You learn it fast. And in my experience, always children learn it faster than the big people. Very often I will have big people as patients. When they come, they bring the children just for accompanying. But the children go back learning the points. The following day when they come, they know exactly where to treat their parents. So this is very interesting in my life to see how easily children learn. And if you think of advantages, especially in rural India, people don't have much money to spend, although they spend a lot for allopathy treatment. Here you have your treatment in your hand. And it is so simple, so cheap, and so effective. That is the main thing. If you ask how it works, sometimes we may not be able to answer. But we know it works because the result says it works. People will immediately say, oh, I am better. I must have done 2 points for headache. And within 5 minutes, that person who was saying, I didn't sleep, I haven't slept for 2 days, that person will say within 5 minutes, oh, I'm feeling good. So that is the miracle that Francine is talking about. And that is constantly experienced by all of us who are doing this kind of alternative therapies. There are many alternative therapies, but this is one of the simplest one, the Sujok. And in Sujok, as we were saying, there is seed therapy, which is very, very effective because it is the nature working. It is so natural. Any grains you take and put in the point, and to find out the point, I think you will need one class because that's a bit important. That's the only thing which is important. And once you know the point, you apply one seed or a bunch of seeds in the area, leave it for 1 hour, and you will see that symptom is disappearing very quickly. So seed therapy is there. Then needles are not always needed, but it's also used in the therapy. Then we have a treatment called moxa. Moxa is a kind of medicinal plants ground and made into sticks, and you burn it to the point. They have some other names because I have seen it used even in Europe very frequently, these moxa kind of things. But I don't remember how they call it. And they use it for chest congestion, back pains, all that. So it is quite a interesting treatment. Once you learn it, you won't feel like going back to any allopathy because you have enough with this and you can heal any of your discomfort because you can learn it yourself without too much of effort. You have to contact one knowledgeable person, sit with that person for half an hour, 1 hour. You will learn it for yourself and you can treat yourself.
How safe is this treatment, Auntie? Is there any side effects in these kind of therapies?
There's no side effect at all for this kind of. Any alternative therapies are not supposed to have side effects. If you take Ayurveda, you have only the bitterness to suffer, but no side effects. In acupuncture, if it is a puncture, you use the needles. You have the skin break, which will be kind of a needle prick, pain. But otherwise, I haven't known any side effect in my career.
So, when the patient is going through these treatments, should they be on any food diet?
Normally, I don't advise any diet, but normally there is a system that in India, people are conscious of diet by themselves. They know what to eat for BP, what to avoid. They know normally what to eat for BP patients and what to avoid. And also, we have a good kind of diet system in India altogether. We are not eating anything and everything, and we are more into vegetarian diets, which is good for any illness. You won't go yourself pushing into some sickness because of the diet if you are a vegetarian, and that will be the best to follow.
So, how useful these therapies to treat joint pains, back pains, and any bone related issues or muscle related issues?
That's where it is most effective. For joint pains, it works miracle, and within 1 hour, with a pressure or with a seed, you get joint pains much less. Of course, there's a difference between the chronic patients and acute patients. In chronic patients, because you had been suffering so long time, neglecting, then it will take longer time to heal also. That's a natural kind of understanding. Whereas in acute cases, you immediately treat and the patient in 5 minutes will get all right.
Did you see how beautifully Auntie has shared her experiences with us? Auntie has almost 30 years of experience in treating patients with Sujok therapies. These Sujok therapies are very helpful on regular basis. Ask me why. Our present lifestyle, the stressful lifestyle, the way we are busy with doing some or the other work to achieve something, to be successful, and also the food we are eating. We may have very conscious about what should we eat, what we shouldn't eat, but are you aware how many eatables have got DNA modified? That is hybrid food. Milk is hybrid, rice is hybrid, vegetables are hybrid, sugar, everything has a chemical. The vegetables, there are something called organic. In organic, they say they don't use pesticides. But are they country seeds? Are they desi seeds? No, they are hybrid seeds. So every DNA modified food variety causes some or the other imbalance in our health. So every day, for example, today you got headache because of upset stomach, and today you took a pill. You got relieved. How about tomorrow? Tomorrow again you're going to consume hybrid food, or you're going to have irregularity in your food habit. And tomorrow also you have headache. Tomorrow also would you be taking a pill? So in that way, every day you'll be taking a pill, isn't it? How can we avoid all this? How can we control all this without taking a pill? Almost for 3 months or 4 months regularly, if you're taking a pill, that will definitely have damaged your kidney or your liver. Because kidney and liver are the main organs in our body which detoxifies, isn't it? So instead of taking medicines every day, these are the natural techniques. If you learn, every day you can apply it on your body. And every day with these natural techniques, you can get rid of minor symptoms to major symptoms also. In my experiences, I have seen many people who were suggested surgery have got relieved from this acupuncture, acupressure, sujok therapy and color therapy. So the reason we have Auntie in our video is for you all to have a knowledge about an experienced person. So when something comes out of experienced person, it gets into our mind very easily and very quickly. We have been sharing lots of knowledge, but today you have got knowledge shared by Georgina Auntie. We are very thankful to you, Auntie, for sharing your knowledge and giving us your time and talking to us.
Welcome for coming, because it was nice talking. First I didn't want it, but finally it was good because it spreads. This whole system will get spread out.
Yes, Auntie, because these are the therapies which were started in our country itself, in India itself, but then these are practiced in outside country. We, as a localite, where these traditional techniques, alternative therapies were started, we have to revive them back. We have to learn them back. We have to teach them to our children also. People may not agree to my point saying, these techniques are outside India. Where do we practice? To give you one example, the newly married bride wears toe-ring, wears bangles, isn't it? Why do they wear? We will tell all that in our next video, upcoming videos. But keep thinking why a newly married woman or a married woman who wears a bangles and toe-ring, etc., etc. So we would like to end this video with this. Thank you so much for watching us, and keep spreading awareness about these techniques. Keep encouraging us. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and follow us. Thank you.